One mistake many buyers make is assuming Mowe is too far. But the reality is, what people call too far today often becomes the fastest growing city. This is Mowe. Yes, here we have beautifully built 3-bedroom bungalow and 4-bedroom bungalow. An affordable luxury built for investors who want comfort, peace, serenity, and smart investment. This property comes with the title C of O and is just 35 to 40 minutes to Ikeja. Why should you invest here? One, this estate is also surrounded by major landmarks, the RCCG, Nigeria Breweries, Olam Factory, Mountain of Fire, and many other interesting landmarks. And there's also road connectivity from here to Shagamu, from here to Shongota, from here to Ikeja, Ibadan. This also a place where you can buy and invest for your family living. And also it comes with a high investment potential. Smart investors, now is the time for you to take advantage of these beautifully built bungalows that we have here. Here we have enough parking space that can accommodate up to 8 cars. This is located in a peaceful, serene environment. Right here we have 3-bedroom bungalow and 4-bedroom bungalow. Yes, as you can see, it is spacious. It has spacious layout. It has its own private compound, fitted kitchen, and yes, good finishing, quality finishing, both interior and exterior. And here, the 3-bedroom bungalow is going for 69 million naira, while the 4-bedroom bungalow is going for 85 million naira. And all you need to start this journey is 20 million naira initial deposit. And there's also payment plan up to 12 months. Smart investor, lock into this estate before it's sold out. Almost all these bungalows have been sold out. Don't waste any more time. If you are waiting to feel Mowe is closer, there's chances that you might buy at a higher price. The question is not whether Mowe is far or not. The question is, are you ready to invest now and buy now before everybody else knows the value of this property? This is a fantastic building and people are buying massively into this area. So if you are interested in land, yes, if you want to buy land here or you want the bungalow, kindly reach out to me on the WhatsApp number on the screen, and do remember to subscribe to this channel for more real estate opportunities, both land and houses here in Lagos or close to Lagos. Do remember to subscribe to this channel and follow me on other social media platforms. My name is Funke of Bungalow Properties.